Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to make a vertical video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into the video. So first import the video clips or media you want to use for your vertical video into the project. For example, we got one video here and we are gonna make it vertical. All you have to do is go for sequence, then click on sequence settings. Here in the frame size, change the number to 1080 and this number to 1920. Press enter and click OK. Now use the position and scale controls in the effect controls panel to position and scale the footage within the vertical frame. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.